Hello children, today we are going to read some poetry. Your paper contains Unit A, begins with John Donne's poem Go and Catch a Falling Star. Before coming to the text of the poem, let us know something about who was John Donne. John Donne was born in 1572 in London, England. He is also known as the founder of metaphysical poetry. जॉन डन को मेटाफिजिकल पोइट्री का फाउंडर भी कहा जाता है. In my next video, I'll discuss in detail what is metaphysical poetry, who were metaphysical poets, and what are the chief characteristics of this poetry. अभी तो हम इतना ही जान लेते हैं कि जो टर्म है मेटाफिजिकल पोइट्री किसने क्रिएट किया था. दिस टर्म वाज क्रिएटेड बाय सैमुअल जॉनसन. ही वाज एन 18th century English essayist, poet and philosopher. Okay, now let us come to biography of John Donne. As I told you, he was born in a Roman Catholic family. उस समय ये जो रोमन कैथोलिज्म था ये इलीगल था, अगेंस्ट दी church. So his personal relationship with religion was passionate and at the center of much of his poetry. हमको उनकी पोएट्री में भी ये रिलीजन का असर देखने को मिलेगा. He studied both at Oxford and Cambridge universities in his early teen years. जॉन डन ने अपनी शुरुआती पढ़ाई दोनों यूनिवर्सिटी से की, ऑक्सफोर्ड एंड कैम्ब्रिज. He did not take degree at either school, लेकिन उन्होंने दोनों से ही डिग्री नहीं ली क्योंकि वो रोमन कैथोलिक थे. At the age of 20, he studied law at Lincoln's Inn. 2 years later, he joined the Anglican Church. Donne wrote most of his love lyrics. उन्होंने अपने लव लिरिक्स और सीक्रेट जो पोएम्स थी वो अराउंड 1590s में लिखी, creating 2 major volumes of work. Number 1 was named Satires, पहली थी Satires, and the second one was named Songs and Sonnets. In 1598, after returning from a 2-year naval expedition against Spain, 1598 में वो स्पेन के अगेंस्ट एक नौसैनिक अभियान पूरा करके जब लौटे, he was appointed private secretary to Sir Thomas Egerton. And in 1601 he got married to Anne More. उनकी वाइफ का नाम था Anne More. He continued to write and publish the divine poems in 1607. Then in 1610 he published Pseudo Martyr, another collection, and in 1617 he wrote a collection of holy sonnets. In 1621 he became dean of St. Paul's Cathedral. St. Paul's का जो फेमस चर्च है उसके डीन बने. He wrote his private prayers, devotion upon emergent occasions during severe illness. और उनके लास्ट डेज में वो सीवियर इलनेस बहुत ज़्यादा बीमार हो गए थे. And published them in 1624. उनकी जो पोएम्स थी जो उन्होंने अपनी बीमारी में लिखी थी जिसका नाम था डिवोशन अपॉन इमर्जेंट ओकेशंस. दिस वॉज पब्लिश in 24 and he died on March 31st 1631 in London. So this was a brief biography of John Donne. Next we'll come to the text of the poem Go and Catch a Falling Star.